Respected parents and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Today, I would like to share with you a few important things regarding different aspects of our school. First thing I would like to say, I think lockdown 4 is going on, and looking at the atmosphere right now and attitude of the people, we are moving towards the positive area right now. I think government has given exemption in few of the facilities also right now. So we are very happy right now. Why I'm talking all this is just because that we want positive atmosphere for the school also. I think hope for the past very soon, hope that government will come with a very good plan just to reopen the schools. Now, coming back to some important discussions here. First thing I would like to say, students, many a times I told you also that we cannot compare regular school. It means that students and teachers in the class and regular school, same atmosphere is not possible in any other method. I mean, online teaching is there or live classes are there, very difficult. But as I said many times, we are helpless against the situation. Earlier, we thought that unfortunately, due to this pandemic situation, school is not able to, means we cannot continue the school as per the government order. So we have started this online. Now, all the things I have discussed, lectures we have uploaded and all these and that. And I think many a times I discuss this in my announcements also. Main thing right now I'm talking to you is that students, along with the lectures, along with the regular syllabus, we are uploading notes also. And I think yesterday and even today also we have uploaded the notes of many of the important chapters of different subjects. And the notes are specially related to pre-midterm exam. Students, I understand your problem also. First thing, you people are busy right now, maybe in the festival of Eid celebration and all that, and your maybe schedule is busy with the family also. But at least I told you many times that we have to focus on study also, because we cannot wait for time, because the time which passes right now will not come again. Today the time has gone, 28th of May gone today, will not come tomorrow. I think 2020 I am talking about, that will not come again. So we have to be positive. If we cannot able to do something in the school, let's do something at home. Students, you have the bulk of lectures, you can see that. Students, you have the textbook also, and you are matured people, in the sense you are well smart students right now. So you can see the textbook also, you can have the reference book also, you can have the internet, I mean mobile or laptop or computer at home also. So many facilities you have. So I mean to say, waiting for regular school and then a study will start, yes, definitely we are going to do that very soon, but the time which right now we have, we cannot sit empty hands. So let's start something better. Just see one, at least in one day, every day, if you can able to just see one paragraph also, or one sum of the mathematics also, or any other subject I'm talking about, and it will be a great for you people. When regular school will start, that time when teachers will teach all these things, it will be much easier for you people. So students, in this uncertainty also, let's take it as an opportunity. Convert the problem into opportunity and use this wonderful time for the study purpose, please. My humble request to all the students, at your convenient time, the notes which uploaded yesterday, today, or maybe previously by teachers, kindly just go through all the notes, and by chance, if you can able to see the notes, if you can able to grab the notes, please write down the same in the regular books also. Students, yeah, maybe notes point of view, lectures point of view, noise problem may be there, volume problem may be there, reading problem may be there, visibility problem may be there, but we are also human being. We all are trying our best. Teachers, principal, management, we all are trying our best to give you something better every time. But sometimes we are helpless against technical system also, and sometimes we are helpless against the system which is not in our control also. So my humble request, just try to cooperate as you have cooperated till now. One more thing is that the purpose of our school, as you always know, that we all always think about the school 24 by 7, 365 days, whether it's a holiday, whether it's a vacation, whether it's a Sunday, whatever days are there, we always think about students, we always think about the benefit of the students. It means that when the students take the admission in Matliwala Public School, we don't think about any purpose, either financial purpose or any other benefit. We just think about one thing, that the students got the admission in our school. Now when that student will leave the school, he should be or she should be much more matured in terms of personality development, in terms of communication skill, and different areas also. So we want overall growth of the students. One more thing I would like to say, by uploading videos, by just passing these messages to you again and again, we don't want to be a greatest of school ever. That's like that. It's not our purpose at all. We all believe that the school who gives the better education to the students, the school who thinks about the benefit of the students, overall growth of the student, is the best school in the world. So it means that the school, we are not in the thinking that by doing all this we just want to get some appreciation from the people. No, it is our duty and we are doing all this. It is our duty, we are uploading the lectures. It is our duty, we are running the online classes. It is our duty, principal always comes to you, talk to you directly, indirectly. So we are doing all this as our duty, and hope that I think we'll continue this in even more better way in future also. Now I think we are waiting for the government right now, because this 31st of May the lockdown will be over. I mean to say fourth lockdown will be over, and then think about 1st May or 31st May, sorry, 1st June or 31st May. Let's see what the guidelines come from government again, state government, central government, all this. And then after we are going to formulate the further planning of the school. Very soon we will have the committee meeting with a social distance, and then we are thinking about, we will plan all the further strategies about the exams, about the planning, about the academic year, about the online classes, and many other things we are going to discuss very soon right now. So I can only say one thing, students, be positive, stay positive, and keep a happy and healthy atmosphere at home, and always be respectful to your parents, and take the advices of your parents also. And my humble request to the parents also, you please don't be panic. We are always there with your child. I mean to say, school, though we are not directly attached right now with the children, with the students, but we always care of the students. We always think about the students, even at home, even when we are not directly in contact with the students. We have we bother about the students, we bother about the study of the students, everything. And as time goes, we plan everything, we do everything regarding different aspects. So parents, you don't worry, you just stay safe and happy. We are taking care of your child, and your child is our child, so don't worry about that also. We just do one thing, as I said earlier last time also in my announcement, that maybe on 2nd of June I'm going to upload one more video very soon on 2nd of June, where I'm going to speak about, I'm going to say to you, pass the message to you regarding our further planning of online lectures, as well as our pre-midterm exam, and many other areas which I'm going to discuss with you on 2nd of June. The main purpose of this my lecture, my video to you, is that stay positive. School right now also think about each and every student from KG to 12. It's not that the lockdown is there and school is not active. School is always active for you. School will remain active for you. So MPS, as our main purpose is, students should not be having any kind of loss, directly or indirectly, and we are going to take care of that also. So don't worry, don't panic. And as I said last time, right now also, earlier in this my lecture, I said, please at home you have material with you, you have technology with you, you have videos uploaded by teachers. So please, without wasting your time, focus on study please, and continue your study please. Okay, hope that my message is clear to you people. And one more thing, our teachers, I think, what should I say about our teachers? Special I'm talking about right now, maybe from KG to 1200 teachers we have. We all are working very hard. All teachers are in contact with the principals. All teachers are in contact with the management and all that. Management is also in contact with all the teachers. Almost daily we are having the sharing of messages and all that regarding the school study and everything. So teachers from home also working very hard for you people. Teachers doing work from home right now, and they are planning for your exams. They are doing some they are preparing maybe question banks and everything for you people for your upcoming exams and all that. So teachers are also in contact with you, not directly but indirectly. Teachers also worry for you people. So it's a critical situation, but I think we have to cope up with the situation, and we are doing right now the same thing. So special thanks to all the parents, all the students, that you have given a wonderful support to us. And one more request to you, that when we upload the videos, online lectures, 50, 60, 100, 200 people just watching the video just for the sake of watching, don't do that please. My humble request, watch the video, perfectly watch the video, each and every minute you have to see that. And if you are even getting 10%, 20% from that video, you may be very happy with that, and we will be mighty happy for that. So please see all the videos and give the equal importance to all the subjects. It's not that X subject you are giving important and Y you are not giving important. You have to give importance to each subject, and kindly see each and every videos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times please. And that is my humble request to you. And please focus on study at home. Our main purpose is that students should just directly focus on study, and mind should not be diverted to other areas, because this is a very important and critical situation for all of us. So hope everything that what I said right now, especially students, you got all the things clear. Very soon, right now, maybe on 2nd of June, I'll upload one more video in which the further planning, further strategy of the school will be mentioned regarding online class, regarding exams, and many other areas also. Hope for the best. Stay home, stay safe, and all should pray for all the people in entire world that we should get even better situation as early as possible. Thank you very much, and have a very good day and a wonderful life also. Thank you.